I am a professional fashion designer and you will have no more worries how to fold your dresses with these tips. I have 3 tips for you. One is with a dress with a collar. Then you have another one. This is very suitable for jerseys, for example, flared jersey dresses, for example. And another one like a dress that has no collar and sleeves. The first one is a regular shirt with buttons. So if you have a belt, then fold the belt in 4 times, like this one. If your dress has, it's going outside the skirt part, fold it in once, flat, flat, flat. Again, on the other side, make sure it's all flat. Then take your sleeves, pull them in, and then you fold up one time the down part, the bottom, and another one until you reach the collar. Then you put in the collar. Then you put the belt inside, in the middle, and then you fold it to the middle, and once again to the middle, so your collar is protected. And then you can put it either this way in your suitcase, in your cupboard, or in the bag of your customer. Cool. This is a method for a very flared dress. So you want to make sure to have a square before you fold it. So put it flat on the table. Then you put in one way, then the other way. Then you fold it in half. Then you have this rectangular shape. You fold it then 3 times, so once, and from the other side twice, and then you can fold it another time, and some people then fold it another time in the middle to put it like that in the cupboard. If you have a dress like this with no collar and sleeves, for example, then you would put it like this. Put the sleeves in first. Then you put the outside also in. So you have this rectangular shape again, because it's going outside, it's flared a bit too. Then you pull it in third, and another third to the middle. And then make 3 parts. So this is 1, 2, and 3. And that's your dress.